How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide and this is really easy to do. So let's jump straight into the video. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. Now it does not matter whether you're using an Android device or an iOS device. You want to open up your Snapchat right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now once inside this page right here, click on the gear icon and it will take you to the settings of Snapchat. You can just go ahead and scroll down, and under privacy controls, you have the option called My Data. You want to go ahead and click on My Data and it will prompt you to this page right here where you have to log in your account using your email address and your password. You can just go ahead and put the necessary information for your account and you will be able to get your data, and that includes the snaps. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.